Chapter 9. Comparison of numbers. Greater than, less than. Ali has 9 balls. Ram has 6 balls. Who has more balls? 9 is greater than 6. The symbol for greater than is. Who has less balls? 6 is less than 9. The symbol for less than is. So we write it as 9 is greater than 6. Ali has 3 more balls than Ram. Understanding greater than, less than by more examples. These are mores. These are less. These are less. These are more. Equal. These objects are same or equal. The symbol for equal to is 1 and many. I am 1. We are many. I am 1. We are many.